Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another travel vlog, layover vlog, whatever you want to call it. I'm excited. I'm like not really okay at the moment. It's a long story, but I'm trying to put the way that I'm feeling in here aside because I want to be excited for this trip this weekend. Going somewhere that I have dreamt of going for as long as I can remember. Since maybe being 4 or 5 years old. Since literally seeing Home Alone 2. You know where I'm going with this. When I was really young at Christmas, this has just been my dream destination. It's been the place that I have always wanted to go. And I've had them on my roster before, but they've been cancelled due to COVID. And I've just never gotten the chance to go. And this month I tried my luck again and I bidded for it, and somehow my prayers were answered and I managed to get 2 of them on my roster. So 1 today and 1 in a few weeks' time. I'm literally so excited. I have got so much planned. I'm going to be knackered by tomorrow because I'm probably going to end up walking everywhere. But I'm hoping this is going to be a really good vlog for you guys. And yeah, I'm going to stop talking now and I'm going to get dressed and we're going to head to the airport. I have got another McDonald's because it's just the one thing I have to do when I'm in America is get a McDonald's because it's so much nicer than in the UK. So this is the reality of being cabin crew and waking up at like 4 AM whenever you're in the US, which I did this morning and thought I would get back to sleep. I did for a little bit. And then I didn't realise, but whoever was in this room before me, I didn't realise, but they had actually set the alarm clock for 6 AM. Or maybe they just did that to spite me when they left, I don't know. But yeah, so the alarm clock was set for 6 AM and that went off. But yeah, I am gonna head out again now. It is like 10 to 9. We get picked up at 4 PM. We have a few hours to go out and do stuff. I'm not sure what the plan is. I think we're gonna go to the 9/11 memorial because that's something that I've just always wanted to see. and then maybe Brooklyn Bridge to get some photos for the gram. And then I'm not sure, I want to pop into Bath & Body Works because there's a really good sale on. I want to go to Sephora because I want to get some brow products. Other than that, I don't know. It's like 34 degrees. Why did I go all Australian there? It's like 34 degrees here. It's so humid. I don't know why, but when you think of New York, you just think snow, and so humid here, it's unbearable. Yeah, so flying home this evening. My flight's about 6:30, get home, I think 6:30 a.m. tomorrow morning, and should be out by like 7:15, so that's good. No plans tomorrow. Yeah, and then I've got a few days off, and then I've got a little short haul there and back Thursday, and then I'm off to Boston on Friday, another new destination for me. Can't wait. But yeah, I'm gonna shut up now. I am gonna head out and hopefully get some more good clips for you guys. Hope you enjoyed the clips that you've already seen. I'm in awe of this place. I love it so much. I don't understand the street names and the numbers. I really don't. One of the girls I'm with was trying to explain it to me, and I'm just like, I don't get it. But yeah, I'm probably gonna get very lost here, but it's okay. No, it's not, because it's a massive city, but I think we're getting the subway anyway to the 9/11 memorial because it's so far from where we are staying. We're staying like kind of near Grand Central, Chrysler Building sort of area. So yeah, I'm talking really quickly because I'm excited and I love it here, and I'm so happy that I have another one at the end of the month. Fingers crossed that doesn't get cancelled. But yeah, so everything obviously I don't do on this trip, I'm just going to do on that trip. So probably go to like the top of the Rockefeller on that trip, Central Park, Grand Central, if I don't do that today, and whatever else, maybe see Times Square at night, stuff like that. I'll do it on that trip. So I'm just going to try and make the most of today, go see some sights, do a little bit of shopping, and yeah, I will speak to you guys probably before the flight home this evening.
missing someone. Is as normal, missing someone.
Got my absolute favourite, which is orange chicken from Panda Express. Time to eat this quick and then get ready to leave. So this was my view out of my window in New York. Literally, this is the entrance to the hotel. So you can only imagine how noisy it is with people coming in and out of here. Sorry, I just love the sound of like nails tapping on anything. But yeah, that is my view. Oh, that is my view. Nothing special. But now it is time to go. I don't think I did a room tour, but excuse the messy slept in bed. But I got 2 beds. Comfy little chair in that corner, my window, coldest aircon unit in the entire world, little desk over there, closet with standard closet hotel items, no boogeymen, and bathroom, literally standard US shallow bath and a shower, and yeah, that is my room. I thought I would come on quickly and kind of explain what's happened with the vlog and end it, because I got back from JFK yesterday morning and I haven't ended the vlog yet because I pretty much slept all day and all night. So basically I didn't end up filming as much on the second JFK trip as I kind of wanted to. And when I was kind of looking back through the clips, I kind of realised I didn't have enough footage for one vlog. So as you can tell already, because you're at the end of this video, I hope, I decided to combine both JFK trips into one vlog, which I hope you guys appreciate and find maybe a little bit more interesting, seeing both trips rather than just like one long one and one really, really short one. So hopefully you will be seeing this vlog first, this JFK vlog, and then I will have my Boston vlog up next because that's the next one that I have to edit. I'm gonna end the vlog now.
If you did get this far, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed my vlog footage from New York. Hopefully I'll get to go back again soon. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel down below. But yeah, I'm gonna go now. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will speak to you all in the next one. Bye.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.